V.M. Rabolú was born in Tolima, Colombia. In 1952, he found the true knowledge, and through long years of esoteric practices, he developed extraordinary abilities that made him a world-renowned spiritual guide. Knowing of the future that awaits us, he dedicated himself to teach humanity the formulas for their own spiritual regeneration. He started his work in the 70s and selflessly began a tireless work of public disclosure of true wisdom in the international arena through lectures, courses, conferences, and so on. In 1998, he writes HERCOLUBUS or Red Planet, which is based on his direct and conscious experience. V.M. Rabolú describes the terrible events that will happen on our planet pretty soon, and shows the way to achieve the profound transformation of the human being. The statements contained in his work are well recognized, and many readers in more than 40 countries have benefited from this knowledge. V.M. Rabolú was one of those rare people with an awakened consciousness. His teachings become indispensable in these times when materialism and lack of value have become clear signs of an increasingly lost society. In this short book, the author discusses various issues of today, from the controversial nuclear tests done in the ocean and its disastrous future repercussions, to the origin of climate change, or the controversial question of the existence of conscious beings on other planets in the universe. He also confirms the existence of a huge star, 6 times larger than Jupiter, which is frighteningly close to our planet, and describes the consequences this approach will have for us. V.M. Rabolú teaches in his book the system elimination of psychological defects and the techniques of astral projection as the only existing formulas to escape the forthcoming cataclysm. HERCOLUBUS or Red Planet was written with a great deal of sensitivity and love for humanity. The statements contained in his book will eventually attract the attention of society as events start to happen as they are happening now. HERCOLUBUS by V.M. Rabolú is a book that makes us aware of all these events which we are living now and that are imminent, and he says,
"What I am affirming in this book is a prophecy that will be fulfilled very shortly, because I am certain about the end of the planet. I know it. I am not frightening, but warning, because I am distressed about this poor humanity. These events will not be long in coming, and there is no time to waste with illusory things." Because this message is of great importance for humanity, the Halcyon Association is sending the book HERCOLUBUS or Red Planet free of charge all over the world.